Hey guys, today we have an HP 15-R263DX, and the problem with this HP, the connector is pushed inward. It was dropped and the connector went all the way inside of the casing. So the client brought it in, and we'll try to fix it right now, see what we can do. So we are a repair shop in Chicagoland. So if you're local to Chicago, just bring the laptop over, we can fix it for $100. Or you could mail it in. The total with everything is going to be $100 if you mail it in. Okay, thanks. Position the camera so you can see. Like that. There are two screws right here. Okay. Something should be under here and under here. Okay. Like that. Alright, that's all the screws on the bottom. Maybe there are some screws under those, but usually not, because we got all the screws where we need them. So basically flip the hinge outwards and remove the keyboard slowly. Same thing here, upwards like that, and pull out the cable again here, outwards, and pull out the cable. Okay. Okay, so something should be coming out of here, probably this bezel right here, the top bezel. Okay, like that. Okay, so we got to the jack. And the jack seems to be totally fine. So there is really no need to replace it. Let me see. Okay. So those are the parts that fell out right here, well, a couple smaller pieces here. So ideally it would be sitting there. Well, let me just double check that it's all working. Hold on. Alright, so the light should come up. Yep, the light comes up. And I bet it's gonna be working just fine. Yeah, so instead of making a hard surgery here, resoldering, basically removing the rear connector and soldering the new connectors, we can just put this guy in place. But just putting it in place won't really do much of any good because it's gonna slide out for sure. So the first thing you need to do is you need to remove those this right here, the pad that basically pushes it aside, and then see how it's supposed to be sitting there like that. Let's see, the light's gonna come up. Yeah, the light comes up. Okay, so the jack should be sitting somewhere like that, but it's obviously not sitting the way it's supposed to be sitting. So let's do something about that. I don't like that cable to be all the way stretched, so okay, what can we do here? Yeah, okay. It's a bad idea to use glue because it's gonna penetrate into the jack, into the barrel of the jack, into the hole right here. And you would not be able to push in the, even if you would be able to push in the connector, the connections would be all in glue and it wouldn't make contact because glue does not conduct electricity for the most part. So we got something else to work with. Okay. Alright, so we need something like this to stabilize it in place while we are working, while I am working with it. So here, let's bring in the exhaust, here, like that, and like that. Alright. Power up the exhaust. Okay. The reason I put the tape on top here is so that the jack would be more straight. While the cement is drying up. So that's the way how you should fix this thing. So now let's put this whole thing back. Okay, there's another piece here. Okay. And we place the top cover back on it. Alright, so make sure everything is nice and tight. Flip out the hinges, pull the cable inwards, close the hinge. Okay, close that, open this. Close this cover, close that cover, screw in the screws here and here. Bring the two tabs on top, right here. This goes in here. This one doesn't look like it's properly screwed in, so you want to rescrew it like that, like that. Alrighty, and that's how you fix this laptop. I'm not gonna remove this plug for 24 hours, let it all cure, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This was HP 15R263, and we're here at PowerJack Repair, trying to help you the best we can. Leave a like if you found the video useful. Thanks so much. Have a good day.